my channel. In this video, I have talked about fast facts about organic green tea, so without wasting the time, let's start.
Green tea leaves are harvested and dried before they even ferment. This process ensures that organic green tea keeps many of its healthy properties compared to other teas which undergo a lot of processes. Organic green tea produces a fresher and more aromatic flavor that many people love and enjoy. Aside from its taste and aroma, green teas are patronized more for their benefits to the overall condition of the body. They are now included in many diets and are made into diet supplements in the form of pills and extracts as well. Basic facts about organic green tea. Men have been drinking organic green tea for over 500,000 years now. Its medicinal effects have been known by Chinese people long before researches and experiments have been done to prove its benefits. The history of green tea traces back from Asian culture, used as a beverage or an herbal medicine. As a matter of fact, history reports show that organic green tea was used as an astringent before to control bleeding and to help heal wounds. What makes organic tea special? Catechin polyphenols, a powerful antioxidant, can be found richly in green tea. The compound is known to kill cancer cells, lowers bad cholesterol levels, and inhibits formation of blood clots. What sets organic green tea apart from other tea like oolong and black tea is how it is processed. Organic green tea is steamed so its important compounds are not oxidized. Other teas are usually made from fermented leaves, which make the beneficial health compounds not as effective as when it is only steamed. Health benefits of green tea. The popularity of green tea grew with the interest in fitness and healthy lifestyle. Tea contains a group of compounds called polyphenols which acts as antioxidants to the body. Great benefits like preventing cancer have been proven to come from drinking organic green tea. Aside from that, here are a few more benefits of green tea to the health of a person. Prevents flu, and green tea can boost immunity against influenza. Lowers blood pressure, and blood pressure can be lowered by 50% by drinking at least 2 cups of green tea a day. Cleanses the digestive system, and tannins in tea cleanses the digestive tract and can calm a troubled stomach. Aids in weight loss, and organic green tea is rich in antioxidants known as catechin, which helps reduce the absorption of fats. Metabolism is also increased by drinking a cup to 2 of green tea every day. Dental health and cavity is prevented with the aid of fluoride from green tea. Aside from that, antioxidants kill bacteria and thus fresher breath is obtained. Bone strength, and organic green tea is rich in vitamin D which helps maintain bone density. Harmful effects of organic green tea. The hazards of green tea to the health are due to its caffeine. Insomnia can be experienced by those who consume more than 5 cups of green tea a day. However, compared to coffee, green tea contains lesser caffeine.
I hope this video was helpful, and if it was helpful for you, then make sure you subscribe, like, share and comment to my channel. Meanwhile, take care. I will meet to all of you on my next video. Thank you.